Welcome to Compare to Win. The best lens scratch remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who wears glasses, as it offers a convenient and cost-effective solution to restore clarity and prolong the life of your eyewear, saving you from the frustration and expense of replacing scratched lenses. Number 5. Care Touch Lens Wipes. Introducing Care Touch Lens Wipes, your perfect companion for crystal clear vision. These individually wrapped wipes make cleaning your eyeglasses a breeze, wherever you are. Our pre-moistened wipes are designed to be gentle on all your optical devices. They effectively remove smudges and dirt without leaving any streaks. Use them on eyeglasses, sunglasses, camera lenses, and more. These wipes ensure your lenses are always pristine for optimal clarity. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making them easy to carry in your pocket, purse, or car. Keep your lenses clean anytime, anywhere. With 210 wipes in each pack, you'll have plenty for extended use. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and convenience with Care Touch. What we like? These wipes are individually wrapped and pre-moistened for ultimate convenience. If you're always on the go and need a quick, effective clean for your glasses, these are perfect. They are great for travel or keeping in your bag for a smudge-free view anytime, anywhere. What people say? They are packaged well, so I haven't had problems with them drying out. Generally, there's enough cleaning fluid to clean my glasses or phone screen thoroughly, but not too much to keep them from drying quickly. No streaks, and they get my lens clean with very little effort. Number 4. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Achieve spotless lenses with our powerful yet gentle formula. This alcohol-free solution is safe for all your delicate surfaces. It effectively removes smudges and grime without any harsh chemicals. Our kit includes 2 bottles of cleaner and 2 microfiber cloths. Everything you need for a streak-free shine is right here. Perfect for eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. Keep all your important optics pristine and clear. Experience the quality and care of a product proudly made in the USA. Trust in its performance for your everyday needs. Choose Koala for a superior cleaning experience. Enjoy the clarity and protection it provides for your valuable items. What we like? This kit offers an alcohol-free formula, ensuring it's gentle on lens coatings, and comes with microfiber cloths for a complete cleaning solution. If you're looking for a safe and effective cleaner for your eyeglasses, screens, and cameras, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize gentle yet thorough cleaning and appreciate American-made quality. What people say? No smudge, just clear glasses. You can feel the spongy difference in the cloths. They are true microfiber cloths. The cleaner itself is alcohol-free, which is a huge plus for me. This Koala formula is gentle, yet extremely effective, removing fingerprints, smudges, dust, and even the occasional mystery gunk effortlessly. The microfiber cloths are also worth highlighting. Unlike the cheap ones you get with most glasses cases, these are premium quality, thick, soft, and large enough to handle screens and lenses alike. They don't leave behind fibers or lint, which is a huge bonus. Number 3. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Cleaning Wipes. Experience unparalleled clarity with our pre-moistened wipes. They are designed for a quick and effective clean, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Our formula is tough on smudges but gentle on your lenses. Enjoy a streak-free shine without any worry of damage. Each wipe is individually packaged for ultimate convenience. Keep them in your bag, car, or desk for a clean whenever you need it. This generous pack contains 200 wipes, ensuring you have a reliable cleaning solution for an extended period. It's an economical choice for maintaining your eyewear. Trust in the renowned quality of ZEISS for your lens care needs. These wipes are crafted with precision to meet the highest standards. Whether it's eyeglasses, sunglasses, or camera lenses, our wipes are safe and effective. They ensure optimal performance and longevity for all your optical surfaces. What we like? Benefit from the trusted quality of a well-known brand with these pre-moistened wipes, offering a generous count for long-lasting use. If you value reliability and a high volume of cleaning wipes for your eyeglasses, this is a solid option. It's perfect for households or offices where frequent lens cleaning is needed. What people say? Each wipe is properly moistened and cleans without leaving streaks. The individual packaging makes them easy to carry when traveling or going out. These wipes are pre-moistened and ready for immediate deployment. Rip open a packet, and you're armed and operational within seconds. Number 2. Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. Introducing Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew, the ultimate solution for restoring your car's finish. It effectively tackles a variety of imperfections, bringing back its original shine. This advanced formula works on light scratches, swirls, scuffs, and even headlight oxidation. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's overall appearance with ease. Unlike other products, ours contains protective resins that bond to the clear coat. This ensures the repair is sealed in and won't wash away, providing long-lasting results. Our precision polishing agents gently level imperfections without harming your paint. It's safe for all glossy paint colors and clear hard plastics, ensuring a flawless finish every time. No professional experience is needed to achieve a showroom shine. You can apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a machine polisher for even deeper correction. Save time and money by fixing years of damage yourself. Get professional-looking results right at home in just minutes. What we like. This product is designed for scratch repair and contains protective resins for long-lasting results, while being safe for paint. If you're dealing with minor scratches, swirls, or oxidation on your car's paint or headlights, this is the solution. It's ideal for car owners who want to restore their vehicle's finish at home without professional help. What people say. The application process was incredibly straightforward. I followed the instructions, and within minutes, I started to see a noticeable difference. The formula is easy to apply, and it spreads smoothly over the scratched areas. After buffing it out, the scratches faded significantly, and in some spots, they were virtually invisible. It removes all light scratches from your car. Some seem to take more than one application. This is amazing for polishing your car. I haven't seen a better shine on either of my cars. This stuff is super easy to use. Apply. I used a microfiber sponge, and it worked like a dream. This actually worked. I had fine scratches all around the handles of my car. This actually visibly minimized them. Number 1. SMITTY'S GlassWax Cleaning Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for crystal clear vision. This kit is designed to keep your eyewear pristine. Inside, you'll find a premium microfiber cloth and our signature 1-ounce bottle of GlassWax. Everything you need for a perfect clean. It's the ideal choice for both your prescription glasses and sunglasses. Experience clarity like never before. Our formula is 100% safe and effective on all types of glass lenses. You can trust it to protect your investment. The special wax repels dirt and keeps your lenses clean for weeks. Enjoy smudge-free vision with minimal effort. But that's not all. It also works wonders on your electronic screens, including phones, monitors, and more. What we like. Experience a special wax that repels dirt and keeps your glasses clean for weeks, suitable for multiple surfaces. If you're tired of constantly cleaning your glasses and want a solution that keeps them clearer for longer, this is for you. It's perfect for prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even electronic screens where maintaining a clean surface is key. What people say. Cleans lenses and leaves behind a crystal clear coating that lasts at least several days for me. I find with a fresh application of this wax that I have to clean less often, and it is much easier to get a haze-free finish when I do. I find it does make scratches less noticeable to some extent. I have several extremely fine micro scratches on my glasses, and they become almost invisible unless I have the glasses at a certain angle and in the right light with this applied. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.